now here's the pop shove it. Pop shove it's much like the shove it, except all that's different is you push down and out so you get that little popping sound. So same with the shove it. You want to keep your front foot when you're learning to pop shove it out of the way, right on the edge so you can get out of the way fast. Here's the pop shove it. You end up over-rotating, or the board ends up over-rotating. Some other ones may kick it up and get credit card, which is not fun. So just try not to do that. Make sure you get that kickback motion, but not too far so that you can get back